Hariom Guruji.
Hariom.
I am audible?
Yes, proper.
Yes. I am Jyoti Suthar from Gandhinagar. I have joined your class because I want to learn Marma therapy, and I have joined also the therapeutic yoga because I made accident 2 times, and due to that I am having a leg pain, hip pain, and आई वॉन्ट टू रिलीव माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम दैट पेन. मुझे उसमें रिलैक्सेशन चाहिए था. उसके लिए मैं कर रही थी योगा क्लासेस और एवरीथिंग, बट आई डिडंट गेट दैट मच रिलीफ फ्रॉम दैट पेन. But after joining your class in yesterday only, I did knee therapeutic yoga, and today I am feeling so relaxed, sir. So I decided that ki since 1 week at least I do the knee pain yoga every day. So I thought that I totally relieved from that pain. In Marma therapy, I want to know about each and every point. Since I have taken permission that last week I didn't able to join your class of Marma therapy due to my reopening of the school, but few of the classes I have checked through the video, not all. But I am happy because knee pain class I have not joined, but yesterday I get a time and I did that yoga and I am relaxed today. So I love to join every course of yours, but due to the time and my dream in my life is that I wanted to be a yoga trainer. As I get the benefit from yoga since many days, and now my knowledge is vast about it, and including the Marma therapy. I am unable to remember might be all the names of Marma, but I can remember the location of each. That's truly I know that. But as I am working as an English teacher in Gandhinagar, today and this time since my retirement, I am not getting time to open this yoga classes and everything. But my dream is to open it, and it is very useful if the people completely trust and understand their body and nature and do some yoga and Marma therapy. Might be they will reduce and relax from all the pain, because first the disease enter into your mind due to some reasons. So we have to work on our mental body, emotional body, because through these two the disease enter into our body. I know that I have made 2 times road accident, and I was saved due to God grace. But some injuries happen and stiffness happen in my leg, and as being a teacher, I have to stood in the class in front of students, and due to that sometimes I become so irritated. But now I feel relaxed. Sometimes I have a clash with everyone. I feel that why people do not understand me. Now happen reverse that I understand them. So that happened due to therapeutic yoga and Marma. Then I want to learn something more from you, but in vacation, as I did 2 courses in the vacation. Thank you, Guruji. And my dream is that once I will come at your center in Ahmedabad, as I have know that you are nearby. So anytime I dream to meet you, sir. Thank you.